Okay, good morning my dear students. Today day 32 part 2 and our topic is triangle. Before this we already discussed what is the triangle, type of the triangle and congruency. Now it is our topic similarity. Now concept of the similarity. Concept of the similarity means suppose if we have two or more than two figure, then how you can know the figure are similar. आपके पास मान लीजिए कि दो या दो से अधिक फिगर है, तो कैसे आप बताओगे कि ये फिगर सिमिलर, ठीक है। तो पहले तो ये जान लीजिए कि ये कोई भी दो फिगर जो जिसका सेम शेप होगा वह सिमिलर होगा। सेम शेप होना जरूरी है। मान लीजिए नॉर्मल डेफिनेशन कि इफ टू फिगर हैव द सेम शेप इज कॉल्ड सिमिलर फिगर। कोई भी दो फिगर इफ टू आर मोर देन टू फिगर हैव सेम shape. If two or more than two figure have the same shape is called similar figure. Like suppose it is a equilateral triangle, all sides are same, and it is another equilateral triangle P Q R. Clear? Then both are the equilateral triangle, so it is the similar. Clear? One thing more, suppose if we have a triangle, both figure have the same shape, so it is the similar, but so it is the similar. In the same way, suppose if we have a circle and it is another circle, clear, then both figure are the similar. Suppose if we have a rectangle and we have another rectangle, then both are the similar. In the same way, if we have a square and we also have another square, then they have the similar. It means the figure which have the same shape are called similar figure. जो फिगर सेम शेप रखेगा उसको आप सिमिलर फिगर बोलोगे, ठीक है। तो अब if we have two square, they are the similar. If we have the two circles, they are the similar. If we have the two triangles, they are the similar because they are look like the same. They look like the same. If we have the two rectangles, then they are the similar. In the same way, in the mathematics, in the this topic, if you want to define the similarity, then how we can define the similarity? अब इसमें हमको आपको डिफाइन करना है व्हाट इज द सिमिलरिटी। यह तो हो गया कि आप नॉर्मल सिमिलरिटी का डिफिनेशन, हाउ वी कैन नो द फिगर आर सिमिलर इफ द शेप ऑफ द फिगर आर सिमिलर, लाइक माइन palm and your palm are the look like the same. Clear? So both palm are the similar. Clear? Then suppose if two figure having corresponding angles are same and side of the figure having same ratio. Here, if two figures having corresponding angles are same, are equal, are same, and the sides of the figure having same ratio are proportion. Clear? Like this way, it is triangle ABC and it is triangle DEF. Then angle B is equal to angle E, angle A is equal to angle D, and angle C is equal to angle E. It is the corresponding angle of the given figure. Clear? And the side, it means angle B is equal to angle E, angle A is equal to angle D, angle C is equal to angle F, and the corresponding ratio of the corresponding side, like AB upon BE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. If any two figure having satisfy both the criteria, then the figure are known as the similar. कोई भी दो फिगर यदि इन दो क्राइटेरिया को सेटिस्फाई करेगा तो वह फिगर क्या बोला जाएगा? सिमिलर फिगर बोला जाएगा. ठीक है, ऐसा समझ में? तो अभी आपको सिमिलरिटी का डिफिनेशन, सिमिलर फिगर का डिफिनेशन आप बता पाने में सक्षम होंगे. कैसे? कि कोई भी दो फिगर, चाहे वो कोई भी ट्रायंगल हो, रेक्टेंगल हो, स्क्वायर हो, सर्किल हो, या जो आप सोच सकते हो, प्लेन फिगर होना चाहिए. ठीक है, वो सिमिलर कब होगा? जब उसका सेम शेप होगा. जैसे टू लाइन्स आर सिमिलर. Suppose if you want to know the example of two lines are similar, then it is a line AB and it is another line PQ. Both are the similar because they have the same shape, but they are not congruent. Clear? Because you already know congruency and similarity are two different things. Congruency and similarity are two different things. So, I think everyone able to know what is the similarity and what is the congruency if you seen my all the video related to the triangle. Okay. Now, in this segment, there are four theorem. One is the Thales theorem, and other is the converse of the Thales theorem, Pythagoras theorem, and one theorem is if two triangles are in the similar, then area, the side of the area are in the same. What is the ratio of the sides are in the same square. Clear? Only there are four theorem and one theorem are asked in alternative year. Now, in similarity, if two or more than two figure have the same shape, called similar figure. Here, or in mathematically, if you want to show, if two figure having corresponding angle are same. Now, this B and E are the corresponding angle. They are the same. In the same way, C and F, A and D are equal. Then the ratio of their sides. It means if we can B and E are same, then opposite side of the B is AC and opposite side of E is DF. Then AC upon DF. In the same way, A and D are equal, then opposite side of angle A is BC and opposite side of D is EF. Then BC upon EF. In the same way, C and F are equal, then opposite side of C is AB and opposite side of F is DE. Now AB upon DE. Now this is the condition of the similarity. Okay. Now if you want to discuss the criteria of the similarity, then in the criteria of the similarity, in the congruency, there are no need to prove the congruency like SSS. In the same way, here no need to prove the criteria of the similarity. But we know what is the criteria of सिमिलरिटी. सिमिलरिटी की क्या क्राइटेरिया होती है यह हमको जानना है. तो देखिए इसमें फर्स्ट वन होता है एंगल सिमिलरिटी आर इट इज ए सिमिलरिटी. क्लियर. देयर कोरोलरी पार्ट इज AA similarity also. Angle similarity. Clear? Second one, SSS means side SSS similarity. Third one is the side angle side similarity. Side angle side similarity. Okay. Now here we can discuss the condition of the similarity. Condition of the similarity, criteria of the similarity. Okay. Now it is A similarity or it is known as AA similarity, triple A similarity or double A similarity, both are the same. Clear. Then SS similarity, side similarity, side angle side similarity, side angle side similarity. Okay. Only this type of the similarity we are discuss in whole the चैप्टर ट्रायंगल. अभी हम केवल यही 3 सिमिलरिटी होता है जिसको हम इस पूरे चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है. इसके बाद से आपको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम है, तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल पे बेस्ड होता है. ठीक है. इसमें एक चीज सिमिलरिटी में कभी कभी आप एक नया वर्ड पढ़ोगे, सीपीसीटी. इट इज ओनली 3 क्राइटेरिया ऑफ द सिमिलरिटी. यह केवल 3 क्राइटेरिया होता है सिमिलरिटी में. इन अदर वर्ड्स, इफ 2 ट्रायंगल आर द सिमिलर, देन सीपी एस टी. इट मीन्स corresponding part of similar triangles are equal. Clear? CPST means corresponding part of the similar triangle are equal. Now it is only 3 criteria. Angle criteria, in some time it is also known as the AA similarity. Clear? A similarity or side similarity or side angle side similarity. Then after we discuss the Thales theorem. In our next class we discuss the Thales theorem. Okay? From the Thales theorem our exercise are started, and you know that if you want to solve the exercise 6.1, then you already know when we can discuss the similarity, like if we have the two circle, then they are the similar. Clear? If any figure having the same shape is called a similar. And what is the criteria of the similarity? If anyone have any doubt related to exercise 6.1, then you can ask me. Okay? Thank you.